a foreign field he lay, lonely soldier, unknown grave. On his dying words and praise, tell the tale of Passchendaele. Relive all that he's been through, lost communion of his soul. Rust your bullets with his tears, let me tell you about his years. Laying low in a blood-filled trench, trying to talk to the very own death of my face like a field of falling rain. Never seen our friends again. In the smoke of the mud and lead, smell of pain and the feeling of dread. Summertime to go over the wall, cracking fire in the end of my soul. Yes, the sands of market fire, love is bodies hang out bad wire. Battlefield, nothing but a bloody tomb. Be reunited with my dead friends soon. Many soldiers, 18 years, drowned in mud, no one tears. So we want the war to win, killing time about to begin. Home, far away from the war, no chance to live again. Home, far away, no chance to live again. The bodies of hearts and the foes, the sea of death and overflows. In no man's land God only knows, into jaws of death we go. Crucified before the cross, Allied troops live on the lost. Driven war from a killing machine, such good noise never been seen. When I heard the angels cry, God and man no more they die. So the people know the truth, tell the tale of Passchendaele. Through the house of human heart, every man must play his part.